Hey, amazing educators! Ready for a quick, powerful way to energize your English lessons? Introduce Brave Beats, where music meets courage, boosting critical thinking and engagement. Here's the fast track to a dynamic class. Step 1. Spark a conversation with, "Is being different brave?" It gets students thinking deeply right from the start, setting the stage for a lesson on courage and diversity. Step 2. Dive into a silent music video challenge. Students guess the story behind it, enhancing their interpretive skills and creativity without needing a single word. Step 3. Form teams and assign songs. They'll match lyrics to the video, promoting collaboration and deepening their understanding of language through music. It's a fun twist that keeps everyone active and involved. Step 4. Shake things up with new teams for a fresh debate. Which song truly captures the video's spirit? This step sharpens their persuasive and analytical skills, as they must articulate and defend their viewpoints. Step 5. The big reveal. Play the original music video. This moment of discovery wraps everything up, reinforcing listening skills and the impact of storytelling through music. Ready to bring brave beats into your classroom? Head to Song Activity Factory for all you need to make this lesson a hit. It's simple, engaging, and designed for today's quick-paced world. Transform your English lessons into an adventure that students will love. See you there!